All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make coffee. It's super easy, not coffee, any coffee, it's iced coffee, all right? So you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need hot water, you're gonna need sugar, instant classic roast. I don't know, I think you could use any coffee. That Folgers one is pretty good, but that's all I had, so I used that. A tall glass of ice. I use caramel, caramel's really good, and Coffee Mate. So you're gonna start off very simply by getting the amount of coffee you want. So I usually get 1 spoonful because too much coffee is like heroin to crack to me. So just get one of these and drop it in there. Super easy. Next step, you're gonna get your hot water and you're gonna pour it in here. There you go. Now you got coffee basically. You could drink that already if you want. You could drink that and the tutorial's over. But you got that. Now, you get your sugar, the amount of sugar that you want. So like, I get like 1 spoonful for both of them. So like 1 spoonful, drop it in there, right? Drop it in there, right? Now you got that. All you need to do is just shake it. No, that's good. That's stirred. That's stirred. You're almost done. You're like halfway already. Now, you get your cup of ice. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but you got that. Put that over here. You get this. You get your coffee. And you dump it. Uh-oh, I spilled it all over the table, but that's fine. That might be a little too much, but whatever. You got your coffee now. I spill a little bit. Now, listen. You get your Coffee Mate, however much you want. And this is the coolest part. Look at this. Look at the cup. Look at that. Look at that little. Look how it changes. Now you got iced coffee. And just to top it all off, I get some caramel. And I put some on top. Now all you gotta do, get your spoon that's already in there. Stir it around. And your iced coffee is ready. Literally that easy. What was this, like 2 minutes, 30 seconds? This is all you need. You got your iced coffee. You do it every single morning. Literally the game changer in this is the caramel. I recently tried it, it's pretty good. But yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you.